Overbalance and underbalance. You probably have heard these two words before. They refer to the body going forward, away from the point of ideal balance, and backwards. Problem, this distinction makes you believe that holding a handstand is about going away from the extremes and swaying your way back to the center. This approach is not wrong, but it fails to address the following. These two, overbalance and underbalance, they're not equal. For beginners, overbalance is king. You're much better off going too far than not far enough. Why? When you kick up and you underbalance, you actually just stop short of the position or the set of positions you will learn to balance tomorrow for 10, 30, 60 seconds and more. You actually don't get to experience what it's like to be in the quote-unquote right position. Versus when you overbalance, you actually go through it, even if it's just for 1 second. You have a chance to grasp what it's like to be in the proper position. This in turn allows you to then work on how you get in that position, that's your kick up, and how long you can hold it, that's your balancing skills. So when you overbalance, you actually get a chance at improving your handstand. Now make no mistake, once you can catch a few seconds, you will need to learn the skills required to bring your way back to the center when you overbalance and do the same when you underbalance. Both will need some attention and they will involve a different set of drills. But for the beginners working on catching their first few seconds consistently upside down, overbalance is king.